The fridge fixer is a very simple device that is designed to keep the doors of a residential refrigerator closed when used in a moving recreational vehicle. It is installed using existing hardware on the refrigerator and requires no modification of the refrigerator or use of any adhesives. The fridge fixer is very simple to operate. To secure the refrigerator doors, simply insert the door block into the frame. To get into the refrigerator, just remove the door block. The block will stick magnetically to the door of most refrigerators. The fridge fixer can also be used to prop refrigerator doors open when the fridge is to be stored. This will prevent mold and mildew from forming in storage.